Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our weekly market updates for this Monday morning. Today I've got Fraser with me. How are you, mate?
Yeah, good, thanks. How are you? How's the weekend?
Yeah, good, thank you. Very busy. I was on duty all weekend, so very busy on Saturday, and a couple about on Sunday. So
Many open homes or inspections or anything?
yeah, there was about half a dozen on the weekend. We had a mixture from no one through to three groups through. All of the properties over the weekend. Sunday was actually a little bit better, probably because of the sunshine.
Yeah,
Potentially was
on Saturday,
perfect on Sunday, and Saturday we were dodging the raindrops all day in between the houses. So probably a few more serious people about Saturday. But still people both days, and there's a fair few people out and about Saturday morning, even though it was pretty miserable coming into the office.
Good.
So a bit of action. What's been happening? Oh, you were obviously dodging. There's plenty of raindrops up at the football oval.
Yes.
Tell me out there. Looks like there's a bit of a mudslide.
Yeah, I was also be a mud oval at the minute. I was looking after Saturday, so
Yes. Yeah.
yes. No, it's been pretty busy in rental side of things.
Yes.
So we do only have 2 properties available at the current minute, but there will be 3 more put up some stage this week as well. So
Okay.
5 properties available, and over the last couple of weeks we have leased out 5 as well.
Okay.
That have been new leases signed, which is good. And
Yep.
good. It's weird, really. Like usually winter time's pretty quiet in terms of real estate market and that sort of thing. But this winter, in terms of property management, it's been properties that advertise has been pretty popular.
Yep. So
People
people are
moving
still
in and
moving
that,
around.
yeah, it hasn't really been that season drop off like there usually is.
Yep. Yeah.
It's good signs.
So I wonder if it's because it hasn't really been as wet that sort of a
Yeah,
lot of the time people go, I don't want to move all my furniture when it's raining and miserable, but we've had pretty dry winter really other than Saturday. So,
It's been a pretty good winter.
Potentially that might have something to do with it, but also I guess maybe just because there's a bit of movement there and still quite a tight rental market that it's
that's right.
more activity than normal. So.
Yeah, how's the sales market going?
Really well in the lower priced houses. Medium priced and higher priced houses are okay, and land's still very slow. So which is still being impacted with the cost of building. We have had a few more land contracts in the last 6 weeks probably than what we have as potential signs for a little bit more positive there. But we're still getting really strong interest in the houses in the sort of sub 600 range. A lot of interest at the moment. So definitely first home buyers still active in the market. Queensland interest, a bit of WA interest, not much Melbourne or Sydney interest still. So interesting to see how that goes over the next few weeks as the auctions seasons begin. Probably in about 5-6 weeks time. So we'll see what happens in October, November off of that as to how that's going to affect the market from a interstate buyer's point of view. But and I think there's probably been a bit more activity because of lack of supply. Less properties have been coming on, so right across the market, there's probably still an okay amount of buyers and less houses in the market. So there's been some reasonable results. Even some of the properties have been on the market for a while have sold for reasonable prices in the last few weeks. So,
that's good signs then.
So anyway, I think that's probably all for today. Guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week on the market update.